So yesterday, the biggest fashion designer in Nigeria and Africa, guess who? Okay, you guessed right, it's Veekee James. Had her 30th birthday, and it was one for the books. The party started off, so she before the main day, she has been using small fashion designers across Africa, dressing her up for a whole week or two, I think. And then yesterday they threw the party, which is the main day. Now that is not the gist. The gist is about how fashionable and how creative Veekee James was with her party. You know Veekee James, she's always extra. Now the party had guests dressed out, they outdid themselves when it comes to dressing, and then there was a price tag for the best dress. I mean, who does that? There was a fashion parade show where the guests, walked on, the was it red carpet, showcasing their dresses, and then a winner was picked. There was a panel, and then a winner was picked, and the winner went home with 1 million naira. The winner was Nose Mirage. Another thing from that birthday is the cake. Now, Veekee James' cake allegedly costs 18 million naira. Yes, you heard right, 18 million naira. Money na waiting, money na water. So we wish Veekee James a happy 30th birthday and more fashion styles, more scissors of materials. We love you, Veekee James. This is Augustina with the News Chronicle. Kindly check our website, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us what you'd like to see, and we love